So if you're like me, you have a lot of these Harbor Freight magnetic rails laying around. So I broke them apart into individual magnets so I can use them for my magnetic battery hangers I am designing. This one is for a Milwaukee dual M18 and M12 battery charger. The way I did it was by making pockets for the magnets that I then glued in so they stay nice and flush in the bracket. This seemed to do the trick. This design with the 3D printed hooks will hold up just fine. However, if you like to rest on things hanging magnetically on your box, or want to use it to hang other things on, or just plain clumsy with your shit, the plastic hooks might not hold up. Shocker. So I found these M8 nuts and bolts in my toolbox that fit perfectly in these slots. So I decided to redesign this bracket to use actual bolts instead of 3D printed plastic hooks. Stay tuned to see how it turns out.